Hey, good morning. It's Saturday, May 7th, and here we are picking up again on the seats. We're just going to continue on with that today, see how far we get, and move on to something else if we get to a stopping point with this. But we got our replacement oil cooler came in from Rand's. This is a 13-row oil cooler versus a 9-row oil cooler. And that was no charge. We hadn't opened any of the, we hadn't opened the other oil cooler, so Shelly sent us a list of things that they needed back. So we sent all the parts back that they had supplied with the 9-row, and we just had to pay shipping to get that back, and they didn't charge us anything for the upgrade to the 13-row oil cooler, which I thought was kind of nice, because those tend to be a little expensive. So we got that. We're going to inventory those parts, and also did an aircraft spruce order. Picked up some rivets, a couple different sizes of rivets, and also picked up some additional drill bits. Got a couple 1/8 inch 6-inchers. We've got a number 40, a 6-inch number 40, a 6-inch number 30, a 12-inch number 40, and a 12-inch number 30. And I don't know if any of you recognize Prudence the safety goat. We have Prudence the safety goat guest visit here today. So any of you know who Prudence is, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So here we go. Okay, got our seat plates countersunk for the rivet. So what this will happen here is this is where the seat roller will ride on top of this, and this will rivet onto the top of the seat frame in the fuselage cage. So I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm putting a mark on the top of the seat rail here to show where we're lining up that plate. So I'm just using a piece of angle here to mark that. Okay, flipped it around to the other side so you can see what I'm doing. Well, making some progress here. Got the seat frame in here, obviously. I did find that in the instructions, hang on. So figure 9D-12, and this is kind of a weird thing. I'm not sure how they came up with this, but 9D-12 says you put the pin in the bottom adjustment of the seat rail, or the seat plate. So I've done that. So that's in the bottom. And then they say that it should back up against that bolt and that bushing, and then the back should be there, which it doesn't even come anywhere near close to that, because it hits this tube on the fuselage here in the cage. So not sure where they were going with that, if that was just a mistake that they put that in they depicted that wrong, or what, but project manager has something to say.
And we did verify that we put this in the correct place.
Oh, yeah.
We measured again just to make sure we did everything right.
Yes, verified those are in the proper position, but yeah, a bit of a mystery, but I've looked at some other builds and they're the same with the positioning there, so we'll proceed with that. Just not sure why they had us do that when the seat doesn't lean back far enough to get all the way back. So yeah, there you go. Oh, it's probably because of CAD. They probably did it in CAD, so the CAD didn't take this tube into account when they did that design, when they laid that out on the CAD, computer-aided design. The wind's blowing a little bit today. It's really blowing today. So we can't have the front hangar door open because that's the direction that the wind is coming from. So at least we get to have the back door open. Well, we're done for the day here, and feeling pretty good about what we got accomplished today. We got the seat frames finished out to this point here. Got them kind of tucked into the airplane, and yeah. So, whoops, sorry. Ran into the project manager. What's our next?
The headrests, I think. Oh no, the seat. You do the seat pan.
Seat pan, yeah, we got to do seat pans. So yeah, they went together pretty good. Any notes from you on these that we were?
Nope.
I did notice when you put these together that this bottom piece here, this back is an 32 thousandths sheet, and it's pretty springy, and it pushes the frame apart a little bit. So this piece here ends up a little loose, but I think once we get the seat all put together, it'll snug that back together in there. And then when you sit on it too, just the weight when you sit on it, I think that'll pull that seat back together there. But that was kind of the only gotcha I saw on that, was that it pushes that seat frame apart a little bit. So hey, we'll be back tomorrow to do some more work on this. So have a good evening. Thanks for watching. And that's it for now.